The theory of evolution explains how all living organisms originate from one common ancestor. This was discovered by Charles Darwin on his voyage to the Galapagos Islands. This is where he observed many different species and originate the theory of evolution. And there are many forms of evidence that would prove this theory. Comparative anatomy shows different species with similar structures, such as skeletal structures and different organs. Some skeletal structures in different species show similarities, such as rib cages, bones in the arms and legs, and vertebrae. These would be known as homologous structures. One example of homologous structures are the bones that make up the forelimbs of the bat, the whale, and the human. Another form of evidence is the fossil record, which is a timeline of the different changes for each species. One example are the different skull shapes from our ape ancestors to us humans today, known as Homo sapiens. It also shows the changes from one species to another, using the fossils to determine the in-between species. Biogeography shows how different climates can cause different adaptations for the same species. One example of the different adaptations are the different beak sizes of birds that allow them to have a different supply of food sources, such as nuts and berries. Another form of an adaptation that can be caused by a climate is camouflage from different predators, which can be seen in different insects. The last piece of evidence are the DNA and protein sequences. The DNA of different species records the changes over time, such as adaptations.